Do you want a quick way to capture the wellness recipes every week and keep them all in one spot? Let me show you how I do it. On an iPhone or an iPad, you can open your Notes app, tap on the Create New Note icon, and then give it a name. I'm gonna put the name of this week's herb, so cilantro, and now I wanna take a scan of the recipes on the board. That little camera icon above your keyboard, you see, if you tap it, you could take a picture, which a lot of people will just take a picture, and that's fine too. I'm gonna do scan document for this, and then you just wanna set your phone right in front of the document and hold still, and it'll just scan it. And I'm gonna move down to the next one, hold still. I don't like how that one looks, so I'm gonna tap it and tap retake and just try one more time. Say done. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the next one, hold still, and the last one, and hold still. And now I've got all 4 recipes. Oh wait, there's another one. Gotta get my salsa. Okay, so now that I've got all of those scanned, I just tap save. And you can see there are 5 scans that I've made here. I'm gonna tap that, and now all of those scans are in here. And next week I can type the next herb and do another scan, and that way they're all in one note. I could also tap the share arrow at the top and share this with someone if I wanted to.